Now at 7, preventing miscommunication between police and the hard of hearing and the deaf community.
Now you can tell an officer immediately if you're hearing impaired with a stamp on your driver's license. News 6's Eric Von Anken talks to troopers about how it can get results together.
After a chase and confrontation on a North Carolina highway in 2016, a trooper there ended up shooting and killing a driver who was hearing impaired. The trooper was later cleared, but after that, the Florida legislature took action, passing a law that now helps drivers in our state avoid a potential miscommunication.
When I first walked up to the car, I have someone that's obviously distraught, upset. They're involved in the crash.
Florida Highway Patrol Lieutenant Tara Crescenzi was trying to help an elderly man after a recent crash, but he couldn't understand her instructions.
So when he's having a communication barrier just because he was hard of hearing, I then had to get his attention and speak to him differently. So I was
you
able
could tell right away that he was having a tough time.
Yes, because once I approached the vehicle, he's still inside the car, and I can tell, obviously, because traffic is going by us, it's loud, he's obviously distraught, that we need to get into a safer spot.
It's entirely voluntary, but now under Florida law, that man and anyone else who has a hearing impairment can put that designation on their driver's license or registration. This is the symbol showing that the cardholder is deaf or hard of hearing.
And this is going to be a great tool for us because when we approach the vehicle, if someone points at it on the front of their driver's license, that will key to the officer, oh, this person is going to need resources.
The lieutenant tells me
on the front of the driver's license.
All troopers are trained to recognize a hearing impairment and to react to it. During a traffic stop or crash, troopers will speak slowly, look directly at the driver, guide them to a quieter place, even write instructions on their notepad.
And you carry a notepad with you because of that?
In our pocket. So ready to go just in case we have to communicate.
Troopers can see the hard of hearing symbol on your registration when they run your tag or on your driver's license when you hand it to them. When you renew your license or registration either online or in person, all you have to do is check the box to indicate you are deaf or hard of hearing.
What is the potential if, when you approached a car, you didn't know that this person was hard of hearing?
It could become of a conflict. We might think that they're ignoring us or they're not trying to give us information, their driver's license, registration, insurance.
And troopers say putting that designation on your license is not just for when you get pulled over or, God forbid, if you end up in an accident. They say it's for anything, anywhere, anytime you interact with someone. When you go shopping or even at the airport, the second you pull out your license and point to the hard of hearing symbol, whoever you're talking to should know immediately what your situation is. At FHP headquarters, Eric Von Anken getting results together. News 6.
Now, troopers want you to keep in mind they don't always run your plate immediately, especially in a crash.
That's why they always recommend showing your license and pointing to the symbol immediately as soon as you make contact with any law enforcement officer. It's a really good idea.
It really is.
Yeah.